Hey, what's up guys, it's Marshal. Welcome back to my channel. It's an awesome thing when a firm comes and improve in their outputs which they sell out to their end users. So to that aspect, they remain valuable to their users at large. Today, I'm delighted to present to you the new Tecno Spark 5 Pro, which is a step up from the standard Tecno Spark 5 that was earlier announced and we all know of. In today's video, I will be unboxing and reviewing this device with you guys. So to that aspect, we get to know where the step up improvement comes in. But before we begin, if you know you're new to this channel and haven't subscribed yet, please do well to hit on the subscribe button and also turn on the bell icon next to it in order to get notified whenever I drop a new video. So without much talking, let's begin. As you can see here, Tecno welcomes us with the regular signature box color for the Spark series. On opening the box, you welcome with the phone itself, having some of the main specifications on it. The other side. Next is your silicone plastic case, which appears decent and pleasing. Moving further is your 5V charging brick, your micro USB charging cable, and lastly your earpiece. Oh, not to forget your SIM ejector tool, located at the center right side of the box, and that's all in the box. That hasn't shown us the upgrade in this device yet, so let's move further. The Tecno Spark 5 Pro is made out of plastic, which is not bad due to our clumsiness occasionally. But on the front is its IPS touchscreen display with a dot for the camera. On the right hand side of the phone is your volume keys and power button, which double up as your Google Quick Launch. On the left side of your phone is a dedicated slot for your dual nano SIM card and a space for your expandable SD card as well. On top of the device is clear. Beneath the device is where you can find your headphone jack, micro USB charging ports, and your speaker grill. Then lastly, at the rear, aka the back, is your quad camera setup with a quad flash as well. And lastly, your fingerprint scanner. Now, that was a 360 tour around the device, which hasn't shown us what we need to know or the upgrade we are seeking to find. So with that, we move. The Tecno Spark 5 Pro comes with a 6.6-inch IPS LCD capacitive touchscreen display, a 720 by 1600 pixel resolution, which I believe is fair enough for a flagship device. So watching a movie and other phone activities appears cool. The device comes with 4GB of RAM and 128GB of ROM. A MediaTek Helio P22 octa-core processor, which runs on 110 with the Tecno custom skin iOS 6.1. Wow, this is a major step up from standard Tecno Spark 5, which came with a less RAM/ROM and with a Helio A22 processor. So we can believe without any iota of doubt that this has been a great upgrade in this device. I can see it runs smoothly, apart from too much annoying apps which are uncalled for and could have been put away. Apart from that, this device is awesome. Going to the camera aspects, the Tecno Spark 5 Pro comes with an 8MP front-facing camera with a dual flash. At the rear, it offers a 16MP main camera, a 2MP micro, 2MP depth, and a QVGA lens that allows you to enable quad flash. Pictures from this device are adorable and it represents in its little kind of way. Alright guys, it's a front-facing camera from the all-new Tecno Spark 5 Pro. Shooting on 1080p at 30 frames per second. What do you think about the color production, guys? Share your thoughts in the comment section. It's funny. See you there. Hey guys, this is a video production from the rear camera of the Tecno Spark 5 Pro. Okay, still shooting on 1080p at 30 frames per second. It comes with a 5000 mAh battery capacity that carries all its daily activities and can last for at least 12 hours, depending on how intense you use the device. The Tecno Spark 5 Pro is priced for about 58,000 naira in Nigerian currency, which is equivalent to $152 US. In conclusion, I will say that the Tecno Spark 5 Pro shows an immense improvement when it comes to the software and some hardware aspects of this device. So with that being said, please share your thoughts in the comment section on how you feel about this device, and most importantly, is this device worth upgrading to if you already had the standard Tecno Spark 5? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Give the video a thumbs up if you like it. Share this video to friends to enable them in their post-search decisions. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, as this will encourage me a lot. Stay safe as I see you in my next one. Peace.